Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy about this package because I've been wanting this bag for a long time, and it is the perfect resort style aesthetic that will go with every outfit. Even like this one here that's pretty much laid back. It goes with everything. One of the things that I've seen online with Brandon Blackwood handbags, they're all unique, and this one here, I've seen it several times in different ways with people wearing them, but there was one influencer who had it, and I was like, oh my goodness, I got to have it. I wish I would have saved her information, but I didn't. But anyways, I was inspired by getting my own. And I'm not a big handbag girl. I believe in key pieces. Only, curated vintage handbags is my thing, like vintage Chanel, vintage. I just love vintage, and that's my thing. However, this is my first splurge on a everyday influencer type of bag that's in the now. So I got my scissors. Okay, I got my scissors, so I'm back, and I'm just gonna do a little unbox. So I'm just opening the bag right now and taking the duster off, and here she is. How beautiful. And I already added the strap on it when I opened it with the scissors, and it looks amazing. Great hardware detail. You can see the French on it. Looks great. Only thing is that I don't care too much about is that this here is flared out and this side is flat. So that I'm not sure of. If you have the Nia bag, let me know if your bag was the same way. If you like this bag, comment and let me know your thoughts on this bag. I think it's a beauty. Look at it. And I think Brandon Blackwood did an amazing job on this resort laid-back luxury look. Right up my alley. So if you're loving this bag, let me know in the comment, and I hope you love this great YouTube video, and I love it. I think it's great. I really feel like I can rock this. And the hardware is giving the Chanel a run for her money, the vintage Chanel belt. So yeah, this is a great buy, and I can't wait to wear it. So I'll show you the look with an outfit on in one of my posts. So make sure you check it first. See you guys next time.